Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change currency on Bybit application. So in order to change your currency on Bybit, go ahead and open up the Bybit app on your device and log in if necessary. Once logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on Assets button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the Assets section, you will see a little drop down right next to the Total Assets button. Simply tap on it and select your currency that you want to change to from the list. You can choose the currency from the menu and simply tap on that, and that way the currency will be changed. It'll affect how your assets are displayed, but it won't convert the actual funds. It is just for display purpose on the platform. Now you will see all your assets displayed in your preferred currency, whether it's for easier tracking or to match your investment preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back again in the next episode with more Bybit tutorials. Stay tuned till then.